Good morning from Dambulla Caves, Sri Lanka. Today we are going to check out the 5 caves that are here alongside the history as well. So come with me and we'll check it out. A little bit later on we'll be heading into Kandy as well, checking out some of the markets there and trying some local food. We've been told there's a little bit of a walk up to the cave temples. And this is my shoe choice just because I know that we'll have to take off our shoes when we get there. So I'm rocking the socks and slides. Hopefully the walk isn't too much because yesterday at Lion Rock I rolled my ankle, it's a little bit swollen. Not too bad, but it is a little bit sore.
All your virus and everything will be get burned out in your leg. All your virus and diseases in the feet,
in here?
In feet.
Oh!
So you are getting out.
Yeah,
it'll
be great. Okay, so we're just about to enter the caves. This is a UNESCO World Heritage Site as well, so very excited. The climb up was actually a little bit more than what I expected. It was quite a few stairs, but overall not too bad and definitely not as bad as Lion Rock yesterday.
Is it still recording?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, you can see by the way. Show my trousers, they'll be wow, how fashionable.
Yeah. Fit check.
I'm still waiting for it.
He thinks he looks so good right now.
Okay, I know it.
You know it. I love the confidence. Just for a reference of how high up we are, this is the view from the top of the temple. You see like the surrounding mountains and stuff. And also like the design and the layout of these temples as well is it's very interesting. You can see that the buildings are underneath the caves just here. So there's the caves there and then they've got the buildings. So I assume that's why they've called it cave temples, because they've been built into the rock. Alright, we're just about to enter temple number 1. It was closed for about 15 minutes for morning Buddha Puja. This temple, a statue, quite a big one, and there is a lot of paintings on the walls and also on the roof just here. These would have been painted like thousands of years ago and they're still in pretty good tact as well. So it's really cool. I really don't know how they would have painted on the roof so well, but they've done such a good job with it. One observation I've seen with like all the paintings and stuff is you can really see where the walkway is, because where the walkway is you can just see so much damaged paint on the wall just here, but as soon as you go up it's amazing, quite a pristine condition. But overall, considering like the age of these temples, these paintings have been very well maintained or have stayed here for a very long time. Alright, now we're going into temple number 2, which I believe has about 140 statues. So we're just about to enter now. Just up there. The whole entire temple is painted again from all the walls and the roof and everything as well. And it's just like so intricate that if you look at these paintings here, they all look the exact same. And that's on the roof. I don't know how they were able to do that back in the day. Pretty much have them all identical. So apparently in here, up on the roof, they've got a little hole like in the cave and water would drip in here. So the temple could like be supplied with water, but they had to close it off because a lot of people thought it was holy water and would try to drink it or use it for other things. We just exited out of temples 4 and 5, and I asked my guide about the long earlobes that you can see in the Buddha statues. Apparently what it is that Buddha had 32 different features and the long earlobes were one of them. It's all been very interesting. Yeah, this place was built in like the 1st century by a king who had escaped from his previous city, and this is like where he fled to. So yeah, it's all very nice and pristine here, and it's really good that they've kept this up. That was very nice to see. Very beautiful up there. Now we're about to head to go see spices and how they are made in Sri Lanka, and also what they're used for in terms of cooking and medicine and everything else.
It's like it's a herbal drink. Yeah.
It's not bad. So we made it to the spice garden. We got a bit of a welcome drink, which also boosts your immunity. And we've just learnt that this tree here is cinnamon. So it looks like just a normal tree, but apparently it's cinnamon. So I'll show you a close-up of that now.
Ladies and gentlemen, almost.
Okay, so that was all really interesting. So the actual cinnamon that you get is from the bark, but the cinnamon leaves, you can create cinnamon oil out of that. And he was just explaining how you can have different medicines from spices. For aloe vera, that is like what Botox is. Willow is like for blood thinning, I'm pretty sure. And then cinnamon's really good for like headaches and stuff.
I mean, it's not a drug, it's a herbs. People, they use bad way. This is the cocoa, still baby.
Got a bit of a quiz for you. I want you to try and guess what this is. Alright, you've got a few seconds to guess. It is coffee beans. That is how coffee beans start. They grow on the trees like that. It's very interesting learning about all this stuff because I just get food from the supermarket, but actually being out in nature and learning about it is really cool.
We cut it down, we collect the wood, but not outer part, not outer layer. Just the center part, mean core. Cut for the small pieces and steam.
Now we're having some lunch. Kieran's cooking it for us. Hopefully it will taste alright. He's got a lot of guidance by the Sri Lankans, so I'm sure it'll be alright.
When you put any sort of chilies in it, however you like, you can make like a coconut.
Yeah. Making roti here. I probably won't do a very good job.
Was allowed to make their own hot pot, like at the event, so and swirled around. It was good. It was a nice experience. When we did hot pot.
So apparently you gotta like thin it out, make it like super thin. I don't know if that's thin enough. I reckon that's thin enough.
Just go as flat as you can.
As flat. Alright, surely that's good. Alright, we're going with this. We all just rolled out our roti and now it's just cooking. This is today's lunch. A little bit of dal, roti, rice. I don't know what this is actually.
Sambal.
Sambal. A little bit of sambal. It all looks very good, so I'm ready to dig in. I didn't really document much this afternoon / this evening, but essentially we went to a Sri Lankan home and learned how to cook some of the Sri Lankan dishes. So we learnt things like kokis and oil cakes and chicken curry, pitu, and string hoppers as well, and we just had a really nice time getting to know the family and eating lots of good food. So here's a few clips of that. Sorry if it doesn't make too much sense. Thank you. we're making
One,
some
two, one,
rice
two,
flour.
One.
Alright, you go first.
Right.
Pretty good actually.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
Give it some welly.
What's that?
Give it some proper oomph.
Oh,
No. You should hang like this. It have to be straight, right? You can't have an angle one.
Oh, you need
No,
to be straight.
he's doing an angle. You have to do it straight.
oh, go just straight.
Right,
Okay.
You can't do it angle. So then it's slippery.
Do you want to go first?
Right, yeah.
But to the second one, you have to remove a little bit more. Yes.
Alright.
Oh, well done.
First attempt.
Very good.
Oh no. Okay, wait. Oh, are you getting all the angles there?
Trying to.
Do you see that? Well, we'll say it's perfect. Don't actually look at it.
Needs a try. Another one.
Another one.
Not too much.
This is like research.
Not to the top level. Yes,
Oh, it's at the
Yeah,
screen.
that's fine.
Oh, that was good. Thank you. Okay, now I am a pro.
If you not net, I mean,
I wonder if that We are digging into some desserts. These are like Sri Lankan donuts. We've got some other treats. Yeah, very hot. We actually helped prepare these a little bit. We didn't help too much, but we had a little bit of a go.
Well,
So.
these things we actually did all ourselves.
Yeah, true. Yeah.
This was all.
Do you want to do a taste test?
Yeah. It tastes kind of like the dough, but
Oh, it tastes a bit
but-
doughy.
like it tastes
What would you rate it out of 10?
like a 6.
A 6. Okay.
Yeah.
What do you rate it out of 10?
I've tried this one. This was like 6. Yeah, no.
This is yummy.
Oh, this one's good. The sweet one's good. The Lido one.
I like how crispy this one is. I reckon like 8 out of 10. These are sesame balls. Sesame, coconut.
Trickle.
very good. Very good.
Very good.
Huh?
Try the donut.
I was thinking it looked like a snowball.
I'd say my favourite one is this one. Solid. We made our desserts and ate them, not realising that we were also having dinner here. So now we're making a chicken curry.
Roasted curry powder use, meat curry, unroasted vegetable.
I don't know how everyone else is feeling, but I am quite full. So anyway, hopefully by the time this curry is cooked, I will have a little bit of room in my stomach.
Jumps in.
Yeah.
Chili powder.
Quite a lot of chicken. How's my form? The bones are poking me. Very cool.
After steam.
Yeah. You need to tell it again. We can't finish this.
We've gone from having lots of dessert to lots of dinner to another dessert. This dessert is like made out of palm trees. I think palm tree.
Yeah, fishtail palm tree.
Fishtail palm tree, and then it's got like a sauce made out of like coconut milk. What do you think?
It's delicious. Oh yeah, get close up.
Yeah.
Little cube, gelatinous cube with.
Oh, why is it so slippery?
That's what she said. Sorry. Sorry.
That was a big bite. I actually like it.
It's really good.
And you're right, that sauce is actually really good too.
It's nice.
Yeah, I think it's the sauce that really complements it.
It tastes a bit like butterscotch sauce.
Yeah, it does.
Out of 10?
6 out of 10.
Oh, it's like an 8
Out of
or a
10?
9.
4.
What do you say?
Like an 8 or a 9.
8 or a 9. Tomorrow we are exploring Kandy and some of the temples around here, as well as trying some more food as well. We might also be seeing a Sri Lankan dance. It's an optional thing, but we might do that as well. So thank you so much for watching, and subscribe for more Sri Lankan adventures.